This is Organic Chemistry 201, Spring Semester 2012 Extra Credit Project for Dr. Forbes.
Katie Perchner,
Wida Murray,
Kaylee Delois,
and Hillary Secatello.
Hey Hillary, what are you doing?
It's an organic chemistry extra credit project I'm working on.
Oh, awesome. Can we help? We have Forbes too.
Okay. A is for alkene, B is for Bronsted-Lowry, C is for carbon, the most important atom in organic.
Okay, hold on a second. Carbon? Really?
Yeah, the definition of organic chemistry is the chemistry of carbon compounds.
And Bronsted-Lowry? What was that again? I can't even remember.
Yeah, it's either the acid proton donor or base proton executor. Everyone knows about hydrogen and helium. That's weak. I wanted to get into some more interesting topics of organic.
Okay, I see what's going on now.
D is for double bond, E is for electron, F is for formal charge but not like bow ties and bail bonds.
Isn't formal charge the charge of the particle on the Lewis structure?
Yes, it is. It keeps you from violating the octet rule. Forbes hates it when we do that.
Oh, okay, that makes sense now.
G is for gas, I is for isomer, H is for hydrocarbon, and J is for joule, but not like the one you wear on your finger. K is for potassium, L is for Lewis dot.
What's so interesting about Lewis dot?
It's got to have 8 electrons to be stable. Why 8?
I have no idea.
Ha! Loser.
M is for methyl, N is for NMR, O is for octet, and P is for phenyl, pentane, and propyl. Q is for quartet.
Okay, Q, quartet, what?
Yeah, it's for the alpha hydrogens. It's really useful when doing HNMR.
Oh, okay. I've been having trouble with those lately. This really helps.
R is for argon.
No, it isn't.
Okay, you're right.
What about resonance?
Okay. S is for stereochemistry, organic, and 3D. T is for transatopic, that confuses me. U is for unsaturated, but not like something dry. V is for valency electrons on the outside. W is for wavelength, water, and Walden inversion. X is for excited about organic chemistry, aren't you? Yeah, I know, excited. Nothing rhymes with inversion. Brownie points. Y is for why, as in why me. And Z is the final letter, and by Z we mean Z end.
You mean the end?
No, I mean Z end. You try finding something that starts with a Z for organic chemistry.
You know, guys, I sometimes have no idea what we're talking about.
Yeah, me either. Except the elder one part, that part, I definitely get.
Hillary, that's what you choose to take from this class?
We are in America. She can do whatever she wants.
Yeah, that's the fun part in the fun-filled minutes. Well, I do know more than that.
Like what?
Like, his name's David, he's over 6 feet tall, and he teaches at South.
Yes, that is the information you will need to know in organic chemistry too.
Well, he says it a lot, and I just say what I know. Like Haggard said, stick to your ticket.
Well, even after all your amazing singing, Hillary, I'm still confused about something.
What's that? Maybe we can help more.
Resonance. All those electrons and arrows, I just don't know where to begin.
Well, lucky for you, we know a song for that too.
Oh gosh, I'm kind of scared to hear this.
It's to the tune of Them Bones, remember? That song we learned back in elementary school?
Oh yeah, well, organic chem is way cooler than biology, so this should be easy.
Good thing we didn't purge all of biology like we purged Chem 131 and 132.
Yeah, because according to Forbes, we never need that again.
Guys, stay on topic. Stay on topic.
Yes, I really need to understand this resonance stuff.
Hilly, with your beautiful voice, take it away.
Them electrons in negative, electrons, them electrons in negative, electrons, them electrons in negative, electrons. Now hear the word of Forbes. The lone pair's connected to the nitrogen's connected to the carbon's formal charge is positive. Now hear the word of Forbes. The lone pair moves with the arrow to the carbon nitrogen. Single bond, the single bond's now a double bond. Now hear the word of Forbes. Them electrons and negative electrons, them electrons and negative electrons, them electrons and negative electrons. Now hear the word of Forbes. Carbon's formal charge now 0. Nitrogen's formal charge is positive. Everyone's happy with the octet. Now hear the word of Forbes. The resonance structure is more stable because the positive charge is delocalized. Molecules now resonance hybrid. Now hear the word of Forbes. Them electrons and negative electrons, them electrons and negative electrons, them electrons and negative electrons. Now hear the word of Forbes.
I think I finally get it. Thanks, guys.
No problem, Kaylee. I knew my beautiful voice would get put to good use one day.
I wouldn't get too carried away now.
Well, thankfully, this semester is almost over, so we won't have to make up any more songs.
Or do any more of those sapling quizzes.
I know, those were not my kind of fun-filled minutes.
Me either. I don't even want to think about how many early mornings I had with our amazing SI, Nancy, trying to figure out what all those peaks stood for.
Nancy definitely saved me multiple times.
Oh, and don't forget, keep your organic book. You don't want Forbes hunting you down outside the bookstore, now do you?
Don't remind me.
I feel a song coming on, guys.
Oh no, not again.
I have a feeling you'll actually like this one.
Well, see about that one.
You just wait. Once it gets going, all of you will be joining in and showing off your beautiful, fantastic voices. What chapter we're on? I can't begin to know it, but then at least I came to class. Was in the spring, and now spring turns to summer. Who'd have believed I'd even pass? Methyls, touching methyls, reaching out, touching propyls, touching carbons, organic chem. Tests have never seemed so long. I've been inclined to believe they never would, but now I look at this chain. How many carbons are there? I wish it only had 2. And when I name, it's in one ear and out the other. I think I can only name a few. Pencils, touching paper, scratching my head, erasing this group, erasing that one. Organic chem. Tests have never seemed so long. I've been inclined to believe they never would. Oh no, no. Organic chem. Tests have never seemed so long. I've been inclined to believe they never could. Organic chem, fun-filled minutes never seem so long.
You're right, Hillary. That song was fun.
I can honestly say that I think we're all glad we just survived.
Amen.
The end.